Exercise number 1, tricep dips. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Place your hands on the edge of a bench or chair and extend your legs forward. Lower your body by bending the elbows, keeping them close to your sides. Push back up using your triceps and keep your chest proud. Exercise number 2, pike push-up. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Start in a pike position with hips high and hands on the floor. Bend your elbows to lower your head toward the ground. Press back up, focusing on shoulder strength and controlled movement. Exercise number 3, inverted row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Grip the bar with your body straight and heels on the floor. Pull your chest toward the bar while squeezing your shoulder blades. Lower slowly to fully engage the back and arms. Exercise number 4, incline push-up. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Place your hands on an elevated surface and keep your body in a straight line. Lower your chest toward the platform with control. Push up powerfully, engaging chest, shoulders, and core. Exercise number 5, incline plank. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Rest your forearms on an elevated surface and keep your body straight. Tighten your abs and glutes while holding steady. Breathe normally and avoid letting your hips drop. Exercise number 6, diamond push-up. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Form a diamond shape with your hands under your chest. Lower your body, keeping elbows close. Push back up strongly to target the triceps and inner chest.